So, let us take a closer look at this color space called LAB. It is a space that consists also of three channels, just like RGB. It is one channel that is luminescence, which is the L channel, and then there's the channels A and B that I'm going to explain right now. This is the info power, and it is reading out the values of L, A, and B. So if I'm up here in this red area, it is 100 L. It's the brightest bright it can be, but its A channel is 50, and its B channel is 0. So it is a red. If I come down here to the other side, remember these are diametrically opposed, then it is a minus 50, and the B channel is 0. So, having said this, this is a red versus green, back and forth defining this pixel. Similarly, in the B channel, there are the yellows. We'll look here at the yellow. Again, look at this area right here, and you will see it is positive 50 for yellow and negative 50 for blue. Now, you can of course make any color you want by combinations of the two. So, you can go 50 plus, 50 minus, and the blue 50 in the A, or 50. So you can form all these other colors. Now, this also reflects itself in the curves layer, which is here, where again luminosity versus magic. Alright? But A, and let's look at this, we're going to look at the A channel. That's where the reds are, all through here. The greens are all through here. And if I look at the B channel, it's the other channel. Here's where the blues are, and here's where the yellows are. So, yellow, blue, reds, greens. And we'll use those to curve the curve channel in just a minute. Do you have any questions?